how to provision an Ubuntu instance through the Mac operating system. Actually, it is the same as provisioning it in Ubuntu, but since I know that lots of students, they use Mac operating system, I'm going to show how it looks and how it works in the Mac operating system. As you can see, I have already logged in my account and my instance 4 is running. It has the green status here that says that it's running, and it has an external IP. If your instance is not running, just like the other instance that I have shown here in the gray status, you cannot provision it. So the first thing is to make sure that your instance is running. There are two ways that I use. The first one is to provision it through a browser window. This is something that I don't use often, but is an option, especially if you don't have installed the Google Cloud SDK, or you might have problems with your operating system. We can open, or you are provisioning it through another account, through another computer. You can provision it through the browser, and it can connect with your instance and show a terminal. It's gonna take some time. We allow it, and here we are. The instance is provisioned. It has a username and it has the name of the instance, and we can run normally our different commands, or we can do installation or update of the different requirements that you have for your projects or for your homework. After we are done, we just close the connection. The other one is to go in the options and to use the G Cloud. This is when you use the G Cloud through your terminal, but before running these commands, we can click the terminal. Let's make a little smaller. We have to make sure that the G Cloud, let's open again. Here we are. Before we run any command that starts with G Cloud, we have to make sure that the G Cloud or the Google Cloud SDK is already installed. G Cloud version. In the moment that is installed, it shows the version and the information about the package. Even if it is not installed, then it shows that this error, or it shows a different message in the screen. After you have made sure that the G Cloud is already installed, you just copy paste and you run it. So as you can see, my instance is running. I have a username of my terminal, and I have the name of the instance that I'm running. So now I can use normally all the commands or different kind of installation or update or different maintenance that you might have to do for your projects or for your homeworks. To make sure what instances you are provisioning, you have the name of the instance and you can compare with the one in your account. After you are done, you can click exit and the connection is logged out, or you just close the terminal, and as you can see, after you press exit, is not the terminal username and the name of the instance doesn't show anymore. Here is just your username and it doesn't have the name of your instance. So this is how you provision the instance in Mac operating system, which is the same as provisioning in your Ubuntu. Thank you.